What's up, mamas? Welcome back to our baby-led weaning friendly recipes. I'm here with my good friend Steph, and if you guys are new to my channel, I'm an occupational therapist and I specialize in feeding, but this channel we do all things child development. But before we get going, I want to let you guys know that I've created a completely free PDF for you that breaks down how your baby's oral motor skills are developing month by month. We'll go over, 6 months to 12 months and beyond, so you know how they learn to chew, and this information will help you facilitate successful meal times. So click the link down below for your free copy of the oral motor skills chart. So I'm back with my good friend Steph. For those of you guys who don't know, she's a certified chef and she's months away from becoming a certified nutritional therapy practitioner. What's up, Steph?
Hey.
Welcome back. So what recipe are we jumping into today?
So today I wanted to focus on our meatballs.
Yeah. So with the meatballs, this is gonna be for your baby that's 9 months or older, because when we cut the meatball up into smaller pieces, they're gonna need their pincer grasp to be able to pick it up and bring it to their mouth.
So you want to start by chopping your vegetables very, very finely. We're going to be using onion, and we're going to be using the carrots and zucchini left over from the polenta fries that we were doing, so that there is absolutely no waste.
Yeah.
And once you have everything chopped, you're going to mix it in with your meat option, and then you're going to mix in your spices and your egg and mix that all together. Once you have everything mixed together, you're going to start shaping your meatballs. You're going to want to roll them into balls, maybe the size of a golf ball, maybe a little bit smaller, and you're going to start landing them on your pan. What's nice about this recipe is that it's really versatile. You don't have to use ground beef like we did. You can use some ground turkey, ground pork, or even ground chicken. We chose beef because it's a great source of iron, and but all of the meat choices will provide a great source of protein for your baby. And these are complete proteins, which are going to be essential for the building blocks in your baby's growth. You're going to be getting your phytonutrients from your vegetables. So once again, we're going to be adding beta-carotene and potassium and B vitamins with our zucchini and our carrots. Once all the meatballs have been shaped, you want to put them into the oven to bake. And then once they're done, you take them back out and you're going to put them into a pan and add your crushed whole tomatoes. You don't have to use whole tomatoes, you can just use chopped tomatoes, whatever's easier for you. And normally I don't like to use vegetables that are in a can or fruits. They really don't have a very high nutritional content, but tomatoes are an exception. And they are usually flash cooked, and the lycopene content in tomatoes is actually higher in a cooked tomato. And lycopene is the antioxidant that is super important in fighting cancer and to overall health. And you just want to make sure that there's no added salt in any of the tomato cans or sauces that you're choosing to use, because that's a big no-no for our babies. They cannot have any added salt. Their body cannot process that. So once you have your meatballs, feel free to serve all the older people in your family the regular size meatballs, but you're definitely gonna wanna cut them up into smaller little pieces for your baby so that they can pick them up using that inferior pincer grasp and bring it to their mouth. All right, mamas, that's gonna do it for the meatball recipe. I hope you found this helpful. If you enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks to Steph again for coming and joining us and breaking down the nutrients and the health benefits of these fun and easy recipes. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.